munya bema limo elikem kwame amaga mesa etwetia obiom na mede nsembi enenam ensembe na medinam wonim emre bi atwemu ye nua bema the secret investigator Anas Aremayaw Anas ye bo bema yi dia no obia ye mu ye den ehhehye no na bema yi munim se emre bi atwemu Ghana Football Association na enkofo edinam kire se katahye any proye bi enam so ana ekoso because ebedu bre bi Nyantakyi eboa Ghana for ana Ghana Football Association na nka yenko World Cup da but from the time of 2006 and he started World Cup na World Cup ni nya ho chance no GFA ni fa wo discapa na mre bi me fa car na me taxi run enam emsa Atom Clinic abeka onom na wa family ode me ko baby na ye bon kuma about Ghana Football Association o ka hwe Nyantakyi wo ni nsemu gu odi bone kra bone na odi no omo ase no even the security man even enjoys that corrupt money Ghanaians are even complaining about it man to bring him down be very difficult when no kind am see okay yeah that's true because of man we are very corrupt but people were still praising him because Ghana answer obi ti position bi a ye be yi na ba fom no na e wo so hu say apostle nsem bi ye den ewum but no dey wo ti nsem ni ti omo ohon no they are enjoying e ya bonti so for na kasa because ye ko baby an African Cup bi ni am perform here and ye di be si omo so ba ye ya de kakra de a na forget your but on me phone with disca na we and Anas Aremayaw a year investigation bi and your friend Tiger Eye we di ejatani osebo ani se ne obefa ne bia and or the investigation. Now investigation no ebetwetie edinam Ghana for nani na akere se even omanpanyin wonsem kura abem munim se ye nana ado show boy satan na afi ne wabetena konwa no so fe na investigation boy ene ye behu se oh se ne ye hwe no ye papa Kwasi Nyantakyi former GFA boss na why guilty or looking guilty because videos no kase ono akufado is in pocket. So mo pekro be copy on deals nani na show how corrupt the GFA was expose you but even some the Tiger ID video ni beba no there was a video about even the president himself but yes she patro class man for a one nya den emma so the GFA at all costs Nyantakyi na pound for attenuation na all went down iti emma Nyantakyi so over African Cup and African continent he was having a good name because the man was soon to be an African football president because now was say or not like he's a person just close and can feel crank by this time and he will become a African president or whatever because no or ranking the rat some mention not se black tamuni na or na Nyantakyi expose any buy any nano and ye no whatever we be say so our rank big crack ye ni yesa banding for years free GFA football and even football association na way and a ha man to mu say a traumatizing man to the extent say be chess and a macro school na ni nam for crack net ni one san at the channel and right now say ohwe man no dimi na crack utumu say interview no crack na nsa or ye ni say it has sent the man into a dilemma of stroke in some nearby na enya agro na empo me ma ojis bi Nyantakyi issue ni buy na ma enkofo ye investigation after football no e start years Nyantakyi kra box akro no na yembunra FIFA mu ampa so FBI bunra FIFA mu ye re na Seblata na nka se o ye FIFA president no ne hoje ebebi bedu ya Seblata be robbed him of his FIFA ranking as a president of FIFA football iti Emaye hu se corruption of football mu ene be yi sanwuma ina na we ena Nyantakyi so mun kan hu se oye lawyer makokre ketokreku mante kura wo teso a wo ye GFA president oye lawyer minim se lawyer for no uba Ghana na yinim de lawyer for ye enya ye na lawyer minister lawyer jeso munim se hey ye rade o de yantoa ensem no so na Way and Nyantakyi or a lawyer and who say no, he can still defend himself no matter what is going on. As same way you trimwa and Yabesi and no. Look at yes, Nyantakyi the assembly court. And then assembly woman in Nana say court and Yaba let's say the next first year no say Anas Aremayaw eba. Do you know what he has to do? So kata nenim na o say o investigation no e ho de enye ho no ba be kire sa ne 2 minutes wo ho. O investigation, investigation baby. Ene obeyi nenim e de a kire court na ma ye hu say Anas Aremayaw Anas no. Wono eni. Wei ama enkofo e kasa e o social media. Na obi be kase onipa ni ye hu nenim kra dada. It obetumi di obia kra ba aba representing no. Mo kan hu say emre bi Kennedy Japan ni Anas Aremayaw enya issue. Now one of his co-investigators anan komuni omone ne ye adwuma. Na brantie Kennedy yesa ma brantie edube bi Xposed no, and people went on to kill that guy. Ebeye issue bebre wa. Kennedy Japan went on ranting that he was exposed Anas Aremayaw. Emma ye lusu ni nkofo na pamfo ni omo ye investigation. Because he did not understand why the boy has to do that. Meaning say boy no Anas Aremayaw no or one who send be a Ghana for nim dia meaning because how he went on ranting and doing all lots of stuff. Now when any ebisa say so obi kra ko na nipa ni nenima. One, we have endangered that person's life. Because that no ko yi nanim no enkofo etwa ne won hia kwa Xposed mu kakra no, they lost their life because of investigations that they have been doing. Now when Yebisa say, is this the right way? Is the court making the right decision? Ebusian for way nyansa eni baku for 3. I don't know what is going through your mind. That in a comment section commenting because issue assembly as a fan and group enya agro because at all costs Anas mboni trimu bon kofa asemu ma they bia otumi kofa issues undercover issues about a whole lot of things that cause corrupt issues that is going on in the country. I can say there be obekanu abora the Jubilee House nasa. Now you won't say we boy training because a lot of stuff is going on. Me no can say ebia you onyo maybe Anas Aremayaw ebia for the next year you be ready now no. Or no oba be training because corruption there aban we mu no afekra na ye mo train nyan time. Enti court ahye say Anas Aremayaw Anas no ombeyi nanim because me nim the entipa ama court ahye sade no. But I don't know. Nyantakyi yenina ye hu say bia BBAC, but a lot of Ghanaians have forgot about that. And at least Ghanaians ye real fear de kakra. We have not put in much consideration on that. You bringing up this is even making us to come and remember say empower your corrupt. A dimbe na person maintain because that video we watched. It is like a person who was already corrupt and ready to do bad things. We saw this video. What Obibeka say Anas Aremayaw no or tempting Obibeka say they to the court and say what tempting Obibeka say like what tempting say nipa na ngwele so be ba o ye nyoma e be tempting nipa na man na di corruption. Like come on. Hey, we are corrupt or you're corrupt. Nobody will tempt you to be corrupt. And at the end of why I don't know, like you've gotten the chance to be sports journalists, stations, interview to me, Emma Uba programs. I say, Kasa, we are trying to embrace you, no matter what has happened. Say blata cry then call court, or no cry a genie way one fan court. Later crown or the back court. Meaning says blata then also person we be. But me genie says blata and comfort chino cocachums and confounded by momu so mu yo many so mu yo many more because Anas is a great treasure we have for Ghana. It's here they say the proper be wo. Now you say born in your back at ye fra born to ma. Na ya kata ya kata papa so. Now you look at yourself born like is this really the High Court really saying say Anas and being in him? Really? All right, me to say e bin so Anas Xposed charges no. Ni one she crown on person with the woman because we it's a person maybe a question judges any papa damo any part being normal do they really do decisions or make decisions truly say a confined in the constitution of Ghana? Well, as some day our court to me and can be brave. Ebusianfo na masima me de ba na say anas Aremayaw anas no enche ye behu nanimu yie iti wa opese hu anas Aremayaw no ye ready na nkofo so epese ne dele no omune ne epetele me amede jumedi ebro me din de limo elikem Kwame ameda ubetumi aframe efokent meje also Xposed GH. You are all social media platform, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Share all the following. Now YouTube use to make yourself fast subscribe button no to a never notification bell to send you boost ya musa e beka opese wo jiwe ni opese wo tinsem kokonsa ensem e koso ye de bebere aha e ka ye boso asem e kan de ye nim ene e kan de ye ate enye nsem bi akeke ne beka itina make yourself sell opese wo advertise on nyoma wo ton. What business are you owning? Your pro yes poucho I free number ne was your
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubu nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda